What if everything you were taught about money was incomplete? What if the difference between struggling paycheck to paycheck and building real wealth came down to just a few everyday decisions? Not luck, not talent, not even income, but choices. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful financial concepts that can completely change your life. Assets versus expenses. Scene: a typical American worker, Jake, waking up early, rushing to work. Meet Jake. He works 40 to 50 hours a week. He earns a decent salary. He's doing everything right. Yet somehow, every month feels tight. Show bills, rent, car payment, subscriptions, credit cards. At the end of the month, Jake asks himself, where did all my money go? Narrator, slightly stronger tone. This is not just Jake's story. This is the reality for millions of Americans. Rising living costs, easy access to credit, constant pressure to spend. We're surrounded by a system that encourages consumption, not wealth creation. Visual shift, clean whiteboard animation. Let's simplify everything. There are only two things you can do with money: spend it or invest it. And that leads us to two key terms: assets, things that put money into your pocket; expenses, things that take money out of your pocket. Narrator, clear, direct. That's it. It's not about how expensive something is. It's about what it does for your financial future. Scene: lifestyle montage, shopping, dining out, streaming services. Expenses are not bad. You need them to live. But the problem begins when expenses become your priority. Examples: eating out frequently, upgrading phones every year, buying things to impress others, subscriptions you don't use. Here's the trap.
Many people try to look rich before they actually become rich. And in doing so, they delay their financial freedom. Number scene: calm, inspiring visuals, investing apps, rental property, small business owner. Assets are the foundation of wealth. They are things that work for you, even when you're not working. Examples: stocks and index funds, rental properties, side businesses, digital products, skills that increase your income. Assets create passive income, and passive income creates freedom. Imagine waking up and earning money before you even check your phone. That's the power of assets. Split screen: person A versus person B. Narrator: let's compare two people. Person A spends extra income on lifestyle, upgrades, car, gadgets, clothes. Saves little. Person B invests extra income into assets, lives slightly below means, focuses on long-term growth. After 5 years, the difference is small. After 10 years, it's massive. After 20 years, it's life-changing. Visual: compounding growth graph. Narrator: strong emphasis. Wealth is not built overnight. It is built through consistent, smart financial choices. Animation of money growing over time. Compounding is when your money earns money, and then that money earns even more money. Example: invest $500 a month at an average return of 8% annually. Over time, that small habit can turn into hundreds of thousands of dollars. You don't need to be rich to start, but you need to start to become rich. close-up shots, emotional music. The biggest difference between those who build wealth and those who don't is mindset. Stop asking, can I afford this? Start asking, will this make me money? Stop chasing short-term pleasure. Start building long-term freedom. Here's how you can start today. Track your expenses. Cut unnecessary spending. Invest consistently, even small amounts. Learn about money. Focus on income growth. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Inspiring music builds up. Your financial future is not decided by your past. It's decided by your next decision. Every dollar you earn is a choice between temporary satisfaction or long-term freedom. Choose wisely, because one day you'll either look back and say, I'm glad I invested, or I wish I had started sooner. Narrator, soft, powerful ending. The choice is yours. Start building assets today. Your future self will thank you.